how to get a free tram ride without getting a fine.
This is fitting. I used to be a brickies labour, as I told you earlier. I remember waiting at the tram stop one day. This is how to get out of paying for a fine, by the way. I mean, it all comes in a bag, little bag. I should sell these bags, a little kit how to get out of paying for a fine. Just whack on one of these. I remember waiting for a tram one day. I better not put it on inside out, you'll think I'm a fool. Not going to be easy. I was waiting for a tram one day. Bricky's labour at the time. There's an old duck waiting for a tram here also. And she said, oh yes, and it's a true story. She said, what do you do for a living? I said, oh, I'm a Bricky's labourer. She said, oh, well, at least it's good, honest work. Have you ever Bricky's labourer? Kicked her in the fucking guts and stole her hamburger. Now, what you do is this. All guns in a little pack. Also a good way to get free chicken. Whack on the dirty. Can of VB. They don't sell VB here. I'll auction this fucker off in a minute. Pair of your grandfather's glasses. Now what you gotta do? If you can see the fucking ticket inspector with these things on. Soon as you see the ticket inspector walk on, fucking just grab this, chuck it down your front, start talking in tongues. What are you doing? Don't you do it later! And if that don't work, tell them you've only got $100 note.